Caribbean cuisine. Can you give it up for our chefs tonight? So excited. Many of them will be featured later. They have booths around, so we want to make sure you guys visit them. But in case you don't know their names, I want to introduce to you and present to others our distinguished panel. Are you ready? On a lid.
Susie.
On to them.
Them sound fake.
Ooh, y'all ate the food already and tired already? Just a little taste? Okay, well we need the energy. The chefs need the energy. Can you give me some energy, please? Yeah, energy, please. All right, we representing all over the Caribbean tonight. Once again, welcome to the Taste the Islands experience. I am Suzette Speaks. It is an honor to moderate for these wonderfully talented Caribbean chefs today. I want to welcome our first chef up. He is no stranger. He's the host of 2 seasons of the nationally televised Taste the Islands. He is an award-winning caterer and personal chef who has also appeared on the Food Network's Cutthroat Kitchen. He is a regular at the South Beach Wine and Food Festival, the Grace Jamaican Jerk Festival, and other popular events. He will also be featured tonight. You cannot miss his demo with Julian Marley at 8:30 p.m. Please welcome none other than Chef Irie. Welcome, my brother. Yes. And like I said, he'll be cooking alongside Damian Marley, 8:30. You cannot miss it, folks. Our next celebrity chef is none other than Chef Tia, representing IT. IT Sherry. Let's hear it from our Haitian family here. She is the co-host of 2 seasons of the Taste the Islands. She is an award-winning personal chef, culinary instructor, and influencer who has starred in multiple television and digital series in Haiti as well as the United States. Y'all give it up for Chef Tia! All right, represent for the ladies. You know I like that. All right. Next on our panel, we have Chef Danny Peñalo Dominguez of the Dominican Republic. República Dominicana. Let's go. Chef Danny is the co-owner and head chef at Yarumba restaurant in Miami Gardens. Yeah. Hey, you seen that roll though. You didn't know I had it though. You didn't know I had it though. All right, his mission is to introduce Dominican cuisine to the world. Danny recently appeared on Deco Drive to promote this event, and you can taste some of his culinary delights at the Taste the Island tent in the Island Pavilion. Let's hear it for Chef Danny Peñalo Dominguez. Next to him, representing from the U.S. Virgin Islands, where VI is. Hey, big up VI. Hello. We have Chef Winston Williams of the U.S. Virgin Islands. He's a caterer and proprietor of Catering CC. Chef Winston's visual food presentations are over the top spectacular. He has appeared on the Cooking Channel TV show Carnival Eats and currently hosts his own popular YouTube channel. You should check him out. He can teach you how to cook.
Yes.
For people like me, who's kind of challenged, okay? But make sure you check him out on YouTube. He was with us at the Restaurant Brow last year, and he's joining us today again representing USVI. Let's welcome Chef Winston Williams! All right. And rounding out the group is none other than Chef Sharon Chin of Jamaica. Sharon is the owner and proprietor of the Standing Ovations Catering, and she's also known for her spectacular presentations as well. Chef Sharon was one of the amazing chefs who has actually beat Bobby Flay on the Food Network's Throwdown with Bobby Flay. It's not easy, ladies and gentlemen. And you can sample her food also tonight at the Jamaica's tent in the Island Pavilion. Excuse me. Let's hear it for Chef Sharon Chin. Well, I'm going to take a seat and enjoy myself listening to these culinary giants. Again, they are ambassadors of Caribbean cuisine wherever they go. So I hope you are ready for some tips. Are you ready? Tips. You have to give us the sauce. How we're going to make our food taste good and Caribbean-esque. So I'm going to start with Chef Irie, and we can just go around. Let's talk a little bit about what makes island cuisine. So tell me, what are some of your favorite spices to work with, and how do you, let's say, how do you incorporate them in some of your gourmet cooking? Chef Irie.
That's a tough one. My take on Caribbean food is not just representative of Jamaica. I consider myself a student of the Caribbean, so my goal is to learn as much as I can about the other islands and also the history and the cultural aspects of those islands, including my own. So spices for me are a big thing in what I do, hence the name, Chef Irie Spice, the company. But there are some spices that I love particularly.
All right.
Not because of the culture they represent. So I love cumin. I love coriander. Yes. I love what else do I love? I love paprika.
Okay.
But those are my spices. My herbs.
Okay.
I love thyme.
Must have time.
It's a must. Must have thyme. You know, cilantro. And you know, my brethren over here, he said if I don't put that sprig of cilantro for my dish, something wrong. But I love cilantro, and I love what else? Yeah, and cilantro as well. So for me, there are others that I love as well, and I try to incorporate as much of those as I can. I love flavorful dishes. I love dishes that reflect depth, depth of flavor. And the thing that for me is important is to represent my culture or our culture, one ingredient at a time on the plate.
I love it. So you say you love coriander and cumin.
Yes.
Tell me about what that is like a masala, that's like a curry. How do you use that, chef, and what do you incorporate it in?
So if you're from the islands, you know, there's definitely those spices are in curry flavors. And don't think of curry as just the yellow curries we're from Jamaica. So curry has lots of colors, lots of flavors.
Red, green.
It's red, green, it's brown.
Yes.
You know, so and masala spices.
Okay.
And so I love the masala spices because I fell in love with, you know, the vibe from Trinidad.
Oh,
you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
You know, so
Sister Island.
yes, Sister Island.
Yes.
You know, so I like the flavor that those spices give to masala and give to the food. But trust me, if you've ever had toasted coriander, just toast the coriander and then grind it.
It's amazing.
It is one of the most amazing smells.
Have you ever had toasted coriander and grinded?
Try it.
Okay, we're gonna have to try it.
And we're talking like you just toast it and it come off the you know the pan on the stove and you put it in the little spice blender and you grind it and then all that smoke comes off when you open it up.
Okay, we're gonna come to your house and get some of that because I don't know if I can do all that.
So we get the pork. We
Yes.
get the pork. So Jira pork. This is what I'm saying. Use some of that and some of the cumin.
Very
This is what I'm
nice.
saying.
All right,
You see what I'm saying, right?
Chef Irie got the.
And you can't forget Scotch bonnet.
Oh yes.
You can't forget Scotch bonnet.
Yes, always. All right.
And
thank you,
I know you
Chef.
love it. And I don't know if Daddy uses Scotch bonnet on my head.
All right, Chef Tia, what we got going on in terms
If
of
you
your
don't do that,
right, your flavor profile?
He gonna stay there forever.
Tell us what you like, Chef Tia.
Me is simple. I'm simplicity. I must have my time. It's a must. It's a must for me to have my parsley. Parsley is extremely important. And the curly one.
Okay.
And the flat one.
Okay.
For spice, I'm really like, you know, he says the cumin, but more the allspice. And then that's what I'm doing today with my dressing. So it's allspice, coriander, actually that I roasted and grind. That's in my dressing today for the demonstration.
Lovely.
And simple.
So keep it simple. Okay, so we got the thyme, the parsley, a little bit of coriander,
Allspice.
and allspice. Okay,
You
wonderful.
must have the clove.
And the cloves.
Yeah.
Cloves. You agree, ladies and gentlemen? Absolutely. Wonderful. So stop by Chef Tia's table to make sure you sample her food. That's all right. You can keep that. You can keep that. Go ahead, Chef Danny. What you got going on?
Hello, everybody. Thanks for having me here. I would say, first of all, I would say that the most important ingredient is love. And love
Absolutely.
is what brings all of us here together.
We got
because we
Valentine's
have
all
a
year.
love for Caribbean food.
Absolutely.
Because even if you have the freshest ingredients, if you have all the variety, but if you don't put love into what you're doing, it's not gonna be good. And
Yes.
you can cook basically anything, and you do it with heart,
Yes.
it'll come out very good.
Absolutely. That's
Yes.
why grandma food's so good.
Yes, definitely.
Yes, it has a lot of love in it. Absolutely, Chef.
I love herbs. I love herbs. Rosemary, thyme. But basically, Dominican cuisine has a basic, fundamental mixture of different type of herbs and vegetables. It's called sofrito. Is the basic.
Yes.
Is the basic source of our food. You basically grind the different type of vegetables, herbs. Basically, normally you add some type of acidic. Some people use sour orange, others use vinegar, lime
call it
juice.
civil orange,
and
yeah.
then but one of my favorite of all is the oregano. That's what basically Dominicans characterize the oregano.
All right.
We use a lot of oregano,
Okay.
a lot of garlic, and but most importantly, it has to be tasty. I don't like bland flavors. I like tasty flavors.
Yeah.
And
I think that's across the Caribbean, Chef Daniel.
yes,
You gotta have some flavor to the food.
definitely.
Yeah.
And also freshness.
Absolutely.
You see freshness, and not be afraid to try new things, and just be creative. Because sometimes I gotta be honest. Most of my better dishes, I've done them by mistake, basically. You know, because
Just
I'm trying
trying
to do
something
something.
new, yeah.
I'm trying to do something, and then I end up doing something different that's even better than what I tried doing in the first place. So therefore, you cannot be afraid, because even if you plan something and you don't get to that point, God may have something better to you. So that's
don't
what's-
be afraid to experiment, ladies and gentlemen. Don't make it the same way every time. You can try something new. Thank you, Chef Danny.
Thank you.
All right, Chef Winston from VI. What do you like to use?
What do I like to use?
Yes.
I am a person that loves Floridian.
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 Okay, that's
Okay.
new.
Okay.
Okay.
We will take classical cuisine,
Okay.
put a Floridian twist to it.
Okay.
It's all about that fusion. We'll take something you know and love, put some little swag to it,
Okay.
local flavors.
Okay, that Miami on there.
Miami,
That little lot of it
Cuba,
on there.
Dominica,
Okay.
Haiti, Jamaica,
Awesome.
all that good stuff. Little fusion, we call it, anything will take a jerk chicken. We've got something on our menu called a tamarind jerk chicken. Okay? We've got a signature dish called a pan-seared grouper with a coconut mojito sauce.
I would
Okay,
I
that's
would
a
eat that. I
butter-based
would eat
sauce.
that, yes.
Okay? So we do a lot of fun stuff like that. Something you know and love with a little twist, a little kick to the side.
Give us your top spices, top 3 spices you must
Top
have.
3 spices? All spices, one definitely.
Okay.
All
Okay.
spice.
Chef Tia
Allspice.
with you on that, with the allspice.
Allspice, the cumin, like Chef Mary mentioned as well.
You like the cumin?
Herbs, that thyme is a number one. Boom.
Yeah, time.
Yes.
Time.
Thyme?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's an island thing. You wrap that bad boy, you put it in your stew or whatever. Pull it out when it's done.
No flavor.
You know what?
Forget about it.
The time in the US and the time in the islands.
It's
you
two
know,
different things.
It just.
So you gotta ship your time up from the island. All right, thank you, Chef
Yes,
Winston.
yes.
How about Chef Sharon? How are you?
Well, the Jamaican motto is all men one people. When I cook with many spices. I like to kick things up, I like to mix things up, and most of the times I don't know what I did, but it all turned out fine. But I use a lot of ginger. Fresh ginger.
That ginger,
You know,
from the chicken and everything.
Yes,
Yes.
yes. Ginger, one of my secret weapons is coconut milk. I infuse coconut milk in a lot of stuff you don't think.
No, you can't go wrong.
Yeah.
No rice and beans and eggs. We can find out.
Yeah, you can't make rice and peas Caribbean style without that coconut milk.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
I would say, and definitely thyme,
Absolutely.
and absolutely I think cilantro, culantro are secret ingredients. You know,
Absolutely.
it kicks it up a notch. It gives the essence of what's that?
Yeah.
You know,
something there.
And that's the impression that you want to leave somebody. You want to leave people wondering, or when they come in to eat and they leave a little something. When they go home, you want them to say, why didn't I take it? You know, or I yearn it, or I want it, or crave it. So I think as we all sit up here, that we all have that passion that transposes itself into the flavors, actually.
So I love the fact that you beat Bobby Flay. Can you tell us a little bit about what you made on that night, on that fateful night, where you took out the Top Chef?
Absolutely. It was escovitch fish.
No way!
It was escovitch
The
fish.
Escovitch beat
Yes,
him.
yes.
Oh my gosh!
It was an amazing experience because you didn't know. You know, I was doing Island Flavors.
Right.
That was the show, and he showed up. And if you ever see the video, you'll see my motion. I may just bleep that out, you know, when he showed up. But it was a great experience. Again, it's about, as you said, Dan, it's about the passion and the love. You know, never cook when you're angry. You know, it doesn't come out the same. So that's that. Secret spices, love.
I love that. All right, we're gonna start with you and come back this way. I'm